So guess what? My computer crashed in the middle of it last time again. Okay, so this is topic 2-3, part 2 video. So you can see our roller coaster 1 is 610 feet, our roller coaster 2 is 485 feet, and we rounded to the nearest 100 because the hundreds place is the largest place we have here. Okay, so then we rounded. I think it got caught in the end of the video, not sure. So if you round to the nearest 100 here, you look at the 6. Remember, keep round 0. The 6 stays because the 1 is smaller than 4. So there we are at 600. The 4 gets bumped up 1, right? We're letting it soar because 8 is bigger than 5. So 485 gets rounded up to 500. Now, let us keep those final questions in mind. Let's do 2 sentence frames for them, okay? So, about how many feet in all? Okay. In all, comma, both roller coasters are about feet. Notice I put the in all at the beginning, so I don't need to put it at the end. Okay? Oh, it looks a little blurry. There we go. Sharpened it up. Okay? And then the next one is about how many feet longer. So the first roller coaster is the longer one. You can tell by in the word problem. So the first roller coaster is about, let's see about there, about feet longer than the second roller coaster. Okay, so let's do the math. Should be pretty easy math here, right? So the first one, we have in all. And we already decided that in all meant we were adding. So all we have to do is add these 2 estimated figures. Okay? Well, let's cover the zeros here. And let's just think about 6 and 5. Okay? 6 plus 5 is what? 11. Now let's add those 2 zeros on there. And that's our estimated answer. Okay? So if you wanted to line it up, 600 plus 500, you bring those zeros down, you bring those zeros down, and there you have 11. Okay? I think my shortcut makes sense, makes it easy. But now, let's do the other one. We have to do what kind of math? Well, we already wrote it down, right? To get something that's longer, to figure out the longer one, we have to subtract. So 600 minus 500. So once again, let's cover those zeros and let's subtract. 6 minus 5, 1. Okay, is 1. And then we've got our 2 zeros still. Okay, so the first one is about 100 feet longer. And you could do it with the math, 600 minus 500. 0, 0, 0, 0, and 1. And there you are. Okay? Nice and easy. This is a short video. Too bad the computer crashed when I was almost done. Anyway, so we will do some live practice together.